Are you tired of people talking about investing and you being left out because you don't know where to start? Do you want to build your wealth up so you can live a better life? Today, we're diving into the top 5 stocks for long-term investing. These aren't meme stocks. These are blue-chip titans, the bedrock of a diversified portfolio. We're talking market position, innovation, financial health, the whole 9 yards. Buckle up because we're about to break down these companies faster than a sugar rush after a 6-pack of Red Bull. Before we start, smash that subscribe button. Comment below who you would like for me to cover next. First up, we've got Apple, the tech behemoth that just can't seem to miss. They're like the Michael Jordan of the tech world, constantly innovating, always ahead of the game. Apple's got their fingers in everything from smartphones to wearables to streaming services, and they're dominating every market they touch. The iPhone is practically glued to everyone's hand, and their ecosystem of products is so sticky it would make a gecko jealous. Apple's got a war chest of cash and a track record of innovation that would make Thomas Edison blush. They're constantly pushing the boundaries, whether it's with their M1 chips or their foray into augmented reality. This isn't just a company, it's a money-making machine. Their financials are rock solid with a fortress balance sheet and a cash flow that could make Niagara Falls look like a leaky faucet. And their brand loyalty? Forget about it. People camp out for days just to get their hands on the latest iPhone. Now, some folks might say Apple's already had its moment in the sun, that the stock is too expensive. To them, I say, are you kidding me? This is Apple we're talking about. They're like the Energizer Bunny of tech. They just keep going and going. Look, I'm not saying Apple's stock price won't fluctuate. Every stock does. But over the long haul, this is a company you want in your portfolio. Next up, we've got Microsoft, a company that's gone from strength to strength. They've been a tech titan for decades, but they've reinvented themselves for the cloud era. And let me tell you, they're killing it. We're talking about Azure, folks, Microsoft's cloud computing platform. It's gone toe-to-toe with Amazon Web Services and come out swinging. Businesses are flocking to Azure like moths to a flame, and Microsoft is raking in the cash. But it's not just Azure. Microsoft's got its hands in everything from gaming with Xbox to productivity software with Office 365. They're like the Swiss Army knife of tech, always there with the right tool for the job. And let's not forget about their financial stability. Microsoft's a cash cow with a balance sheet that would make Fort Knox look like a piggy bank. They're paying out a juicy dividend and buying back their own stock like it's going out of style. This isn't your grandpa's Microsoft, folks. This is a lean, mean, tech-eating machine that's poised for continued growth. Alphabet, aka Google, the undisputed king of the digital realm. Now let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of Google, the undisputed king of the digital advertising world. They're like the gatekeepers of the internet, and every time someone clicks on a Google search result, their cash register rings. But it's not just search, folks. Alphabet's got YouTube, the world's largest video platform, where billions of hours of content are consumed every single day. And let's not forget about Android, the most popular mobile operating system on the planet. They're sitting on a mountain of user data, and they're using it to develop cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and self-driving cars. These guys are playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Alphabet's profits are more massive than the Great Wall of China, and their cash flow is like a tsunami of greenbacks. They're investing heavily in research and development, ensuring that they stay ahead of the innovation curve. Some people might worry about antitrust concerns, but I say Alphabet's dominance is a testament to their relentless focus on innovation and providing value to their users. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and their track record speaks for itself. This is a company that's not afraid to experiment, to take risks, and to disrupt entire industries. Amazon, from online bookstore to global domination. Next up, we've got Amazon, the company that started as an online bookstore and has morphed into a global behemoth. They're like the retail equivalent of a black hole, sucking up market share in every industry they touch. We're talking e-commerce, cloud computing, grocery delivery, logistics, and even Hollywood. They're everywhere, folks, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Amazon Prime is the subscription service that everyone and their grandma has, and it's the engine that drives their incredible growth. Need something delivered tomorrow? No problem. Want to stream the latest blockbuster movie? They've got you covered. And let's not forget about Amazon Web Services, their cloud computing juggernaut. It's the backbone of the internet, powering countless websites and applications. They're raking in billions from businesses large and small, and their dominance is only growing. Now, some folks might say Amazon stock is expensive, and they're not wrong. But you're not just buying a piece of a company, you're buying a piece of the future. Amazon is constantly innovating, expanding into new markets, and disrupting traditional industries. They're led by Jeff Bezos, one of the most visionary entrepreneurs of our time, and their culture of innovation is unmatched. So if you're looking for a long-term investment that's going to keep you on the edge of your seat and deliver incredible returns, Amazon is the stock for you. Tesla, the electric revolution is here and it's charged up. Last but not least, we've got Tesla, the company that's single-handedly leading the electric vehicle revolution. They're like the rock stars of the auto industry, shaking things up and leaving a trail of exhaust fumes. Well, no exhaust fumes, actually. Tesla's cars are more than just vehicles. They're technological marvels that are changing the way we think about transportation. They're sleek, stylish, and ridiculously fast, and they're only getting better with each new model. But it's not just about the cars. Tesla's building a vertically integrated ecosystem that includes battery production, solar energy, and even self-driving software. They're not just disrupting the auto industry, they're aiming for total energy independence. Now, Tesla's stock is not for the faint of heart. It's volatile, unpredictable, and prone to wild swings. But that's part of what makes it so exciting. This is a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and they're not afraid to take risks. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and they're doing it with style and panache. So if you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward investment that's going to keep you on the edge of your seat and potentially deliver astronomical returns, Tesla is the stock for you. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible companies that are shaping the future and poised for long-term growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your own research, understand the risks, and invest for the long haul. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Until next time, remember, stay informed, stay invested, and stay caffeinated.